What are we known for?
Creating the coolest pavilion with an artistic display of our culture on a global stage. Giving women and girls more rights by actively tackling sexual harassment. Cushioning the pandemic's financial blow to our entertainers.
And?
Well, we set our own speed limits on the track and even ran over COVID challenges without cleats.
And this means?
We're recovering even stronger together.
We're going to have to work this through. And no matter what noise is made out there, we're going to ensure it's done the right way.
Creating financial support for entertainment and cultural practitioners.
$90 million was identified to help members of the entertainment, culture, and creative industries hampered by the pandemic.
I am still in dialogue with the Minister of Finance to see how we can further increase funding for the sector as the needs are many.
New measures were crafted to guide the safe reopening of the entertainment sector.
The reopening will look and feel different because we have to be different to protect ourselves and each other.
Celebrations for Jamaica 59 went virtual, while the Accompong journey was facilitated.
And this handing over of the bus is a symbol of our appreciation, the government's appreciation, and the government's recognition and respect of the Accompong community.
A story of healing was written.
The Culture Minister opened the Rastafari Coral Gardens Elders Home, where survivors of the 1963 Coral Gardens massacre will enjoy a facility catering to their medical and social needs.
And legal steps were taken to safeguard brand Jamaica in the international marketplace.
Amendments to the Trademarks Act were approved in Parliament, placing restrictions on the use of the country's coat of arms, flag, emblems, national colors, map of the island, and the very name Jamaica in a trademark.
This provision is intended to deal with the problem where many so-called Jamaican products available across the world have no relationship at all with our island home.
A safe environment for men and women.
The Sexual Harassment Bill 2021 was passed, laying out provisions for dealing with this issue in the workplace, schools, correctional institutions, places of safety, nursing homes, medical and psychiatric facilities.
Today represents a significant milestone in our long journey to provide protection to many women and men who are suffering the harmful effects of sexual harassment.
A second government-run shelter for the victims of domestic abuse opened its doors.
It's a place of refuge and capacity building for the women seeking shelter and their children.
We are offering an opportunity to help that individual to acquire a skill, that individual to get employed and to stabilize her life so that she does not have to return to an abusive relationship.
Educational opportunities for adolescent mothers.
With $36 million pumped into a training and daycare center in St. Elizabeth to allow adolescent mothers to continue their education.
They get counseling, classes are conducted, and they are taken through that period where they have their babies.
And a $14 million modernized nursery.
I'm here in Mandeville at the Women's Center of Jamaica Foundation, and I'm here today to cut the ribbon to signal the opening of the new daycare facility.
Support for sports.
The Athletes Assistance Program resumed.
We're also providing direct financial support in excess of $40 million Jamaican dollars to our athletes as they prepare for the Tokyo Olympic and Paralympics Games.
A mental health program was launched to help athletes better cope with the psychological challenges of the pandemic.
We saw the toll on these challenging times on our athletes and sought to provide them with support to get them in the best frame of mind as they prepare for the upcoming competitions.
In a one-year first, spectators were allowed at a sporting event as the island hosted its first football match since the start of the pandemic.
Sports in Jamaica is looking to slowly but surely turn the corner on a COVID-19 traveled road. Indeed, a journey.
And residents of Standpipe were given a newly renovated $13 million sports complex.
Indeed, it is anticipated that the space will encourage the young people and other members of the community to engage in sports and physical activity to improve their overall health.
And just like that, we've made a clean sweep of victories for the Ministry of Culture, Gender, Entertainment and Sport for the year 2021. And as we look forward,
our mantra this year is better and stronger.